Making holiday mocktails is one of the pleasure of my life that I really didn't anticipate. I love baking cakes and decorating them. But more than that, I really love the idea to have a wow factor at a party. And that's why mocktails are wonderful. Having a fun mocktail at a dinner party with a fancy straw and garnish can really elevate the menu. And no one has to know how simple they are to achieve. Hi everyone, this is Chef Akanksha Khatri and today I am going to share this delicious, gorgeous holiday drink with you all that your guests are going to love. We are making strawberry pomegranate mojito. Let's get started. So we'll take a pan, switch on the flame, and I'm going to add these fresh chopped strawberries straight to the pan. Now I'm going to add sugar, 10 to 12 strawberries, 2 tablespoons of sugar. So now we're going to add some water, stir to combine and let it cook for another 5 minutes. So here we are making strawberry syrup. You can always add more flavors to this by adding some more vanilla or lemon zest, orange zest. Completely optional, but you can always add on flavors. Secondly, once this is done, we need to transfer this to a bowl and let it cool before we start making our mojito. Third, we need to prepare some fresh pomegranate juice. Isn't this gorgeous? And the flavor is out of this world. Perfect color for festive holiday gathering, and I am sure you and your guests are going to love this. Happy holidays!